In this video, we will learn how to download and install MongoDB, MongoDB Compass and Shell. Let's get started. Open the Google Chrome, type MongoDB download, select MongoDB Community Server, choose the current version, that is 7.012, choose Windows 64-bit, select the package MSI, click on download, open the downloaded file, click on next, accept the agreement, click on next, select the complete, don't change anything, click on next, select install MongoDB Compass, click on next, click on install, click on finish, close the window, then open the Chrome again to download shell, type MongoDB shell, open the first link, come down, click on download, open the downloaded file, right click on it, select extract all, select on browse, open this PC, local disk C, program files, search MongoDB, open that file, now extract here, select folder, extract, click on continue. Now all the files are extracted to that folder. Now open that MongoDB, open bin, click on file location, copy that file location, okay, then open environment variables, select on environment variables, under system variables select path, click on new, paste the file location, click on OK, click on OK, then again OK. Now open CMD, type Mongos. Now the MongoDB server is running on the port 27017. So type show DBS, it will show all the local database. Now type use testdb, we are creating a new database. Now type db.create collection, which will create a new collection. We name it as a user. So then we're gonna add data to that collection, that is db.user.insert1, open curly bracket, name, give a name to it, comma, then age 25, close the curly bracket. Then we can also check the database using this command db.user.find, which will give the data which is inside that collection. Now open Mongo Compass, connect to the local host. Now there is a test database which is we created it. Now open user. So the data are inside that collection. Now change the age, which will 27, and update it. Then we can check in CMD, give the same command db.user.find. Now it gives 27 now. Now we can also add data using insert document, and we can also delete it or update it. Come to the CMD, type .exit to exit from this CMD. Thank you for watching.